Hello, my name is Michelle Zarel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're going to make this stylish little box, which is my Contessa box. The box is made with SVG files from Dimensional Paper Cuts, and the files are free. So make sure you click on the link, go over so you can make your own. The box features a cute little knob at the top so that makes it just a little more stylish. It's a very stylish box. All right, so it's super easy to put together. So let's get busy. These are the pieces that are included with your download. There are actually two files included with your download. One has dashed score lines and one has solid score lines, depending on what you're most comfortable with. So we have the base of the box here. Here is the lid covering panel for the inside, and we also have the four little pieces that will make the knob. I'm going to push these aside for a second, and we're going to go ahead and put this box together. If you've ever made a box before, super easy. Just going to put a little bit of glue on this side. And we're going to pull that up to the edge there. Oh, by the way, I should mention that off camera I did go ahead and crease the score lines, as you can see, and pre-fold them so that way they'll be easier to glue. All of the folds are mountain folds, except for in here, which I will show you in just a moment. Okay, we're going to put some more glue on these last two. And there we have the base of our box. Very easy, very fast. Okay, so we're going to set that aside until we finish our lid. Now we're going to work on the lid. The lid will go together the same way that the base of the box did. Got a little excess glue there. Just fold them in. Make sure it's all lined up nice and square. Okay. That was easy. All right. Now you'll notice there are two slits. I hope you can see them there. The slits are where we're going to attach the knob. Now it's time to make the knob. The knob consists of four pieces, and if you notice, there's a little, it's this piece but with a little bit attached at the bottom. So it's the long one, short one, long one, short one, and they just alternate as we put them together. So we're going to start by adding some glue to the long side here, and then we're going to attach it to the long side of this one. And it's important to match up the score lines the best as possible. Sometimes I think that it's hard to get them, the score lines good, especially when they're a solid score line, because if you fold incorrectly on the solid score line, it'll mess up the whole thing. And then we're going to attach the little bit at the bottom, and you can see how it's starting to take shape. And then we're going to add the other long one, the side of the triangle piece there. And we're going to match it up there. So we have long, short, long. The papers I'm using today were actually digital papers. It's the first time I've ever done that, and that was actually a lot of fun. I downloaded the files from Creative Market, and I'll link to that below. The papers came, the digital papers came with 6 or 7, maybe 6, I don't remember, but there were several terrazzo looking papers, which was fun and modern, and sometimes it's hard to find modern printed paper. Okay, now we're adding another long one. The long one to the long one. Oh, there's the short one. I did not hold long enough. So I need to do that. Add some more glue. We'll hold that for a second. Alright, and then I'll continue on with this one so you can see where I'm going here. Use a little tool here to get in there. We'll hold it for a second. I had a lot of fun with this one. And here's the last piece. That's the long, and we're going to tuck that in there. We'll push against that on the inside as well to make sure it's adhered well. And this last little tab. Okay, there we have our little knob. Now you can see the two little pieces down here that extend, and we're going to slip those in the slits of the lid. So we're going to put one in here. Okay, and then these stick up at the bottom, and we're going to add a little bit of glue and fold them down. We are going to add the covering panel to the inside of the lid. Okay. All right. There is our darling little lid for our Contessa box. Super easy, it's so much fun. Okay, so don't forget to go to Dimensional Paper Cuts and download your free file. And if you like the project or the video, don't forget to hit subscribe so that we can craft again later. Thanks so much and have a super day.